Check out these TikTok and Instagram creators. In just 5 minutes, they can potentially generate these short videos that receive hundreds of thousands of views. How much do you think they make each month? I'll pin the person who correctly guesses, then pause the video and leave a comment. I'm waiting. We're talking between $10,000 to $30,000 monthly, depending on how they monetize their channels. What if I told you that you can create 1,000 short clips like these in just 30 minutes and monetize social media accounts to literally retire yourself from home? In this video, I'll teach you not only how to make numerous of these short viral videos, but also how to rapidly build your brand and monetize these channels using a secret method to schedule postings anywhere with a single click. ChatGPT is the first tool we utilize. You must register in order to use ChatGPT. For example, our goal is to ask ChatGPT to generate 15 sets of facts that will consist of various topics or facts for the shorts, such as psychology, motivation, relationships, boy-girl topics, and productivity to ensure a variety of content. The main goal is to find topics that are easily relatable and especially shareable. The prompt you will be using must be refined through testing, because the secret of these AI tools is that when you enter a perfect prompt, you get the desired result or the closest to it. Once we type in the prompts, we simply click Send Message. As a result, we have column 1 for different types of facts and column 2 for the starting point. Just copy and paste this second prompt to generate more. Create 20 more using the same specifications without repeating previous ones. You won't have to worry about making any videos that are the same this way. But for now, let's simply move forward and begin with these 15. To go to the next tool, we must first simply copy the full table. We will quickly be able to produce 15 videos with just a few changes. Let's visit canva.com. Once you are on its homepage, click on the search bar in the center and type YouTube Shorts and open it. Then choose Create Blank Template to create a new template. You must add a video background first. To locate videos, click the Apps button on the bottom left, then either scroll down or use the search bar. To get a soothing ambient background like the one shown, type Northern Lights or Sunset into the search field. Let's pick a video and get started. You'll need to set up a free trial or purchase the full version of Canva Pro if you want to use videos that have a crown icon or this icon. The bulk creation tool will also require this. Always choose a video that works well as an ambient background and won't distract viewers from the text. Simply click on it and expand it to the edge of your editing window, making it the background for your project. Now, let's adjust the video duration to about 5.6 seconds, because longer videos than that might not be engaging enough for these short-form platforms. Just drag the video down here to around the 6-second mark. For adding text, let's navigate to the text section, choose your preferred text style, and add a header. It will be positioned on the canvas automatically. For the topic, this text is used, so just go ahead and write topic for now. Move the text to the correct location and replace the current text with the topic. To make the color white, click the color button at the top. It's time to style the text. To select all of the text, double-click on it. To add a background, click Effects, then choose Background. It usually defaults to black, but if not, just scroll down and choose red. This will be your topic text at the top of the video. If you prefer, you can also change the font. If you're on the Pro trial, you can even upload your own fonts. Next, right-click on it and select Duplicate. Drag the duplicated text and put it below. This will serve as our Part 1 text, so go ahead and write that in there. Remove the background by clicking Effects and choosing None. However, it's good to add an outline to make it a little more noticeable and increase the thickness as you like. Set the color to black. Now we also need the Part 2 text. Just duplicate the Part 1 text like before. Now listen carefully, because this is important. You want to place the text right a little bit under the Part 1 text. Since the Part 1 and Part 2 text can vary in length, and most of them will probably be a lot longer than click and drag from the edges of the purple boxes of both parts. This ensures that text wraps within the box and doesn't overflow the video's edges, making it unreadable. We don't want both Part 1 and Part 2 to display at the same time. To manage this, right-click on Part 1 and select Show Timing. This will bring up a timeline view at the bottom, allowing you to adjust when each part of the text appears. For a 6-second video, it's a good idea to have Part 1 displayed for most of the video's duration, and then have Part 2 appear for a shorter period. This encourages viewers to re-watch the video. Not many people know of this feature on Canva, and it's called Bulk Create. Click on Apps at the bottom left of your screen, and you should find the tool there. If not, you can also use the search bar to find it. So just go back to ChatGPT and copy the data. We let ChatGPT create the facts in a table format so that we can copy and paste it directly. Return to Canva, click Enter Data manually, and select the top left cell in the first column and paste your text. It will automatically format the text into topics Part 1 and Part 2, just like we want it. Now click Done. Next, let's connect the data. Here, right-click on the topic text and choose Connect Data. Then select Topic once again. You'll see these clams around it, which means your data has now been connected. Let's repeat this process for Part 1 and Part 2, but with the right source. With everything connected, you need to move the Part 2 text and put it over Part 1, because we want both sets of text to display one after the other in the same spot. You can also make topic text small or stretch if you want. When it's lined up correctly, click on Continue down to the left. Now when you hit Generate, it will bulk create all your videos that ChatGPT provided. That's pretty much how you can create these videos, and if you want to go the extra mile, use some online software to bulk edit these videos and add a trendy sound to all of them. This will boost the engagement of these videos a lot. Once it's finished, you'll be able to quickly export these videos by clicking Share in the top right corner and then Download. Make sure to select Download pages as separate files. Every self-explanatory, you get all these videos downloaded as separate files. Result will look something like this. You can also add additional elements as well if you want. Now, I am going to show you how to utilize this method to the max and easily grow several accounts to over 100,000 followers in 1 month. We'll want to use a very special website called Buffer. It's the easiest way to schedule all your posts on all social platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. But with one click, meaning you don't have to do it manually on every channel. Anyways, now you just want to go to your calendar and click on Create Post. Simply choose which channels you want to upload to and insert your clip. And congratulations! If you got this far, you have just automated your whole content creation process. If you post a lot of these videos every day on every platform and actually stay consistent, you'll without a doubt get incredible amounts of traction and views. Subscribe our channel and I'll also help you if you have any questions.